And for example, the Diskayas own 9 different construction companies. And Sara Diskaya admitted that their companies even compete against each other. Is this not a violation of the PCAB regulations?
It is, Your Honor.
So, what are you planning to do about it?
We plan to institute an action po against the 9 companies po which Miss Sara Diskaya mentioned yesterday po na they sometimes all of them po join in the same bidding po, notwithstanding the fact that she also mentioned that they are the beneficial owners of all the 9 companies, Your Honor.
What are your plans? What are the kinds of penalties that you are planning to mete out on them?
Your Honor, as a lawyer po, I believe these acts are violative of the contractor's license law as well as the procurement law of our country, Your Honor, which may constitute revocation of their license, Your Honor.